YouTube. This is Mark Woods with another video. Here to bring you the unboxing of my new subwoofers. Yep. Oh, I know you guys ain't really that surprised. But check them out, check them out. Oh, the DS18s. EXLs. There's a lot of stuff going on with the speaker names though, but I'll make sure I put the full name down for you guys. You know, so we're gonna get them out the box, you know, for you guys can check it out. All right, we back. Gotta make it do what it do without the camera stand. You know, I should have brought it with me, but you got the DS18 speaker. Sticker. I might put that on the box. I'm finally finding some uses for this for the speakers that I'll be getting. All right, they go to let's pull it up. Okay, that's the specs of it. If you guys can take a look at that 306 ounce magnet, dual 4 ohms. Yeah, and right there on the bottom, that's the reason I got it. It's because the 20 to like, you know, 1.6K hertz. That means it plays a wide range of bass. So it's going to be a very versatile speaker if it does, you know, according to the specs, which I'm pretty sure it would. Yep. I'll give you a little wire diagram. It's, you know, telling you how to wire it though, but shouldn't have that problem. Oh, wait. This mic up now. Wow. Rob, I'm sorry. Let's go ahead and open it up a little bit, and there she goes. Well, it ain't no way in heck I'm picking that up in one hand. Whew. Lord have mercy. It was worth the wait, man. Shoot, I mean, I waited, what, over 2 weeks just to get these mugs. You know, I'm not mad. You know, at least I got them somehow, some way. Had to fight to get them, but hey, I got them. Let me get them up on a hot chair so I can let you guys see how they look. All right, we back. We got it out. And what I was a little worried about was the surround. Was it big or not? Or how big was it going to be? Man, it is big. I mean, real tight. It ain't moving at all, man. I can't make it move at all. And the magnet on here, man, it's just gigantic. I mean, it goes, it's like a wider magnet. I'm gonna get a video comparing these to the DCs, but I already can tell you it's bigger. Dust carbon, dust. I think it's called carbon fiber dust cap. That's what it's called. Look at the rounding of it. Let's go a little bit in depth. Can we get a little light up in here? No. Trying to see so we can get a little. Can you see the voice coil up in there? But it's so tight. I mean, this speaker ain't moving at all, man. And look at the tonsil leads. And I like how strong they look too. By the way, they not gonna be moving. Man, let's take a look at the bottom. All right. So look at the bottom. I mean, these go hard, man. I mean, now you can get a better look at the voice coils. Like as my brother Bass and Shane, I cannot push these down, man. So you know you ain't gonna get no voice coil movements on them right now. These things are just chunky looking too. This is a super beefy speaker. Let's see if I can do it with one hand, maneuver around like, oh. You know, moving it around with one hand is just impossible. Guys, I need y'all feedback. Let me know what you think. Let me know if I made the right choice so far. But based on the looks of it, yes, sir. I mean, it's gonna like pound a lot. I mean, I could have spent that little extra $100 to $120 extra and got the avatars. You know, my brother Roma, he got the avatars. Like those were high on my list. The you know what I'm saying? I think I'm sorry guys. I'm sorry. I'm thinking about the scars. The scars ZVXs was high on my list. The sundown X's, they was on high on my list. So, I had a lot of good options that I was gonna try to get though, but it just came down to these right here, man. These were on the top of my list. Like, as far as all those speakers I mentioned, these have 2,000 RMS. All the rest of them, have 15 RMS. And I know y'all always say that you can push the speakers more than what the wattage is and all that. I mean, I get it. But sometimes you want to get something that can just be right even with your amp and see what it does. So I hope you all like the video. If you do, smash that like button. Man, let's get ready, man. And the recommended specs on these, it's like spec to my box, but it's just a little bit off. I don't know if I'm gonna get another box for it or not. I'm probably gonna do a good comparison with this and the DC. The DC will still be on the channel, so no worry, guys. So if you're new and love car audio, please consider subscribing. This is Mark Woods. I'm out.